Welcome back again in Voice of VKR. Today the topic is voice against the Chinese product. Today, as you are aware about that, in near about 15th June night 2 o'clock, over 20 Indian soldiers are killed by the Chinese people. Don't you think so? This is the right time to decrease the chini in our tea. I'm not talking about decrease the chini in our tea, but I'm talking about the product which we are using from the Chinese people in our food. As you are aware about that, Indian market 80% depend on Chinese product, and that is the main aspect which will be necessary to reduce that all the 80% market of Chinese product. As you are aware about that, and if you are not aware about that, I want to inform you that $55 billion which we are exporting from the China, and in which the major four factors are affected, in which we are importing the Chinese product, in which the first and major important sector is electric and IT. I am talking about another sector which is a huge mileage, and we are using the Chinese raw material in pharma sector as well as in chemical. And third important sector is automobile. As you are aware about that, all the parts coming from the China, and we are assembling and then make the product. So ultimately the profit goes to the Chinese people. Not only this, and fourth largest sector which we are importing the Chinese product is infrastructure. Now, this is the right time to motivate and give us a moral support to our Indian soldier. I am not talking about to go at the LOC and fight against the Chinese soldier. I am talking about decrease the use of Chinese product, because the blood of my Indian soldier is much more important than the Chinese product. I am always support with my Indian soldier because I am a true Indian, and I am also appealing the same aspect from you people also, that this is the right time to prove our honesty from India. We are with our Indian soldiers. Now, talking about the Chinese market which we are already importing, in which the first and major factor is electric market and IT. As you are aware about that, 34% are the import ratio of Chinese product for the electric and IT department. And you are surprised to see that $20 billion market which we are giving to the China without any kind of hesitation. And also, I am talking about another most important segment, that is pharma and chemical. Our dependency in Chinese product for the pharma and chemical department is near about 21%, and the amount is near about $11 billion US dollar per month. Also, I am talking about there are so many companies which we are also investing in infrastructure for the Chinese product business. Not only this, the infrastructure concerns near about 3% market share to the Chinese people, and in which we are losing our market of near about $9 billion US dollar per month. And one of the major sector which we are at present discussing with you, that is the pharma market. Don't you think so our pharma market is capable enough to do so, to manufacturing the Indian products, Indian raw materials? We have lots of companies which are capable enough to introduce the raw material itself by the help of government, in which the Sun Pharma, Ranbaxy, Lupin and Torrent is also there. There are the main four pillar companies in India which create the raw material itself and making the product and get the profit in India. So unnecessarily the Chinese people not get benefited for that particular item. I am also talking about the electric and IT department related product, because 34% market share going to the China unnecessarily. Why? Because we are using Chinese mobile, we are using Chinese applications. Near about in each and every mobile which we are using, near about 4 to 5 applications are related with the Chinese. Unnecessarily they are taking the product. We are using the mobile like Vivo, Oppo, as well as we are also using some another mobile like Xiaomi, like Mi. These all are the Chinese mobile. But our Indian software engineers are capable enough to do so, to provide the Indian version mobiles in Indian market, as well as they make the application for the Indian version is concerned. No doubt there are lots of applications available of India which is related with the Indian version, but people are not aware about them. And in which the big chunks going to the TikTok as well as UC browsers. We are using UC browsers and TikTok frequently. But there is an option regarding that. we are using ShareChat also, as it is related with the Indian version, as well as we are also using the Chrome browser, which is not related with the Chinese. I am also talking about some necessary tips regarding that. If our software engineer introduce that type of application which is more beneficial to the Indian people, with great feature like Chinese application, because you are also aware about it that I don't know 33% people are working in Google, which is related with the Indian origin, as well as 25% people which is related with the Indian origin are working in Facebook. So these all are the capable, and in India itself there are lots of software engineers which help to overcome this problem of Chinese products which we are frequently using. Not only this, near about 3% market and $9 billion market goes to the infrastructure facility. But we are using our infrastructure facility by improving our infrastructure itself in India with the help of our two present government of Modi Sarkar. I'm quite encourage the appeal of our Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi that he wants to reduce the dependency of Chinese products. But it is our moral duty to support our Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. You are also quite shocking that previously, when we are using Chinese product in a frequent amount before appealing Narendra Modi, $443 market every month we are giving to the Chinese people. But it can be reduced after appealing Narendra Modi. Near about 329% at present we are using the Chinese product. So the impact of this appeal is much more higher, because we are two Indian people and we are always motivate our soldiers, because our soldier blood is very important for our self-defense. So it is my humble and sincere request to all of you to motivate our soldiers. I am a true Indian. I am always with my soldiers. So please don't forget our Chinese applications, our Chinese product in your home. That it is the right time to decrease the chini in our tea. Not chini in our tea, but Chinese product in our home. Thank you very much. Once again, I will meet you with some another topic with my channel, Voice of VKR. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Indian soldiers.